Hi everyone, Said at Are You Cars, we're back with another Kia Soul. We've got a 2011 Tempest model. It's a 1.6 CRDi, it's automatic, finished in the titanium silver, as all the Tempest models are. It's got the gloss black accents, the privacy glass, the 18-inch wheels, and this thing is in absolutely superb condition. There's no damage to any of the wheels, we've had all of those refurbished. The tyres are all really good. The bodywork, as you can see there, is fantastic. There's no big dings or anything like that. In fact, I don't think there's any dings on it. Super tidy. The reg number there if you needed any checks. The gloss black insert. The reverse camera. Very nice car. We sell a few of these, or we are doing at the moment. They're very popular. Don't expect this one to hang around. We've got two others in stock, awaiting prep if this one has sold. Whereas when you inquire, yeah, very nice. We'll show you the interior. Exceptionally clean on this one. Got your load area with your parcel shelf. Got the split floor with the extra storage underneath, look. And then the spare wheel under there. Can, I believe, remove this foam to lower the boot floor, but I think they're quite good like that personally. There you have it. Inside, it's got the black cloth with the Soul embroidery. All very clean. Got the Isofix and the rear electric windows. Same in the front. Height adjustable seat. All very good. Minimal wear. Got your side airbags there. Electric windows and mirrors. Multifunction 3-spoke steering wheel, automatic gear selector, auxiliary input and USB input, cup holders, etc. Just start this one up so you can see there's no warning lights, see the mileage, and then run through one or two more features before we conclude. So as you see there, car started perfectly. It is cold, it's not been started. No warnings, with a mileage of 44,736. Steering wheel's in excellent condition. We've got your CD MP3 radio with Bluetooth, bit of storage in there. Auto dipping rear view mirror. Now this is quite cool. This is where the reverse camera comes up, look, as you can see just there. It's working perfectly. And that's about it. Big glove box. Another very nice example. Please do give us a call on 01509 267 111. We'll let you know if it's still available and get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.